Good morning, Tuesday, January 13th. Don't really have much going out, but had a pretty good sale. So yesterday's video, I recorded Sunday afternoon, and I think that video showed that I had $70 worth of orders in that video. So you can see, I think I sold, maybe it was 73. I sold one more postcard the rest of Sunday evening. And then yesterday it shows 261, but like 186 of that is one card with shipping. So when my little graphic that says boom, that one card outsells 2 days, it's really not that impressive when I'm only doing $70 days. But we're at 80 so far today, so I don't even know what sold to get me to that. And then I have the 500 auctions. Immediately got 6 bids and nothing really since. So I'll talk about those in a later video, but at least next Sunday or this Sunday coming up, I know I have at least a couple $100 in orders. So let's go ahead and pull what little I have, but again, it's decent money for just 12 orders. Something just sold. Okay. So AV5. And the before I forget, thank you to everybody who's been joining the membership. Again, I really appreciate that. I have it listed in YouTube as $4.99, but I was contacted by a new member, and thank you again for joining the membership. They were charged $6.99, and which is contrary to what I've been telling people. And I checked, and yes, I do have it set for $4.99 a month. And here, come to find out that YouTube passes on a fee for app users. So if you're using the YouTube app, or if you join through the YouTube app, right now I think it might just be Apple products. And correct me if someone else has joined through an Android or something and you get charged $6.99. Let me know. I'm just curious. I can't do anything about it. But so my understanding is that Apple wants corporate greed. They want 15 to 30% of any type of monetary whatever the purchase through the app. Something along that. So they charge YouTube $2, or who knows? Maybe they only charge YouTube $1, and then YouTube passes on a $2 fee to people. So if you can join through the link below, if you want to, again, no pressure. And hopefully that will save you the $2. Now I don't know if it's $6.99 every month. I have no clue. It's the first I've heard of it. But another commenter said that they can't watch membership videos if they've joined through the link below on a desktop. They can't watch membership videos on their phone. So I don't know about how that works. I just know I put in $4.99, and supposedly YouTube is supposed to take their cut from that. No, like I said, I wouldn't put it past corporate greed. I'll just say that, corporate greed. So that sold for decent money. I'm trying to figure. I guess maybe I just had a lot of $15 orders. I don't know. There's that one. 032. So today, after I pack these up, I will be working on the second road trip and postcard picking for members. First preview. And like I said, Thursday, Friday, the other postcard picking will go public to everybody. And then today I also will be working on the members video for what I bought, why I bought it, what you need to look out for. And based on the card that sold for really good money that I paid, I don't know, $1 to $2 to $3. I didn't pay more than $3, I know that. I remember the booth I bought it at York, but I can't quite remember if it was a $1 card or a $2 card or a $3 card. What is this? A Seaside Park, New Jersey Island Beach Motor Lodge Cocktail Lounge. There you go. You don't see too many cocktail lounges anymore. But yeah, I'll talk about that card. I talked about it a little bit in the members video, but I think I need to do a deeper dive on this card and other stuff surrounding it. I'll leave it at that. Members, like I said, I don't charge a bunch, but I think hopefully y'all get some good value out of it. And if you don't, cancel. So anyway, and then keep listing. Keep listing. I wish yesterday was more of a picking video than a visiting video. I just had to do some obligatory visits. So have your sale, I was just, if that sale didn't come in last night, I sent an offer. If that sale didn't come in, I had another thumbnail ready to go. It's just been like up and down with sales. I did okay over the weekend, averaging, I don't know, 160 a day, and then Sunday was 70. If that 75, if that car didn't sell last night, I was still going to be at 70 something. So yeah, up and down, and I listed 500 auctions. You think I'd get some? Oh, wrong one. You think I'd get some traction to the rest of my store? And some of the auctions, I had two. Well, I'd listed like 100 and some hand painted, hand drawn, not hand colored, hand drawn, hand painted cards. And 22. They're the two that have bids on, or not the two I expected to get immediate bids on. You just don't know what people want and what they're willing to pay $80 for each. It'd be nice if a whole bunch more of those got some bids though. This is like a reprint. Again, if you need card stays, I'm caught up. An order or two a day are coming in. While I find this card, and there's little. Oh, I put up peanuts this morning. They're a mess there, Mike. I put out some like mixture that. There's one that just sits on right here and just sits on the food and just eats for like 15 minutes. I'm fattening them up. I think this is the card. Well, I don't know where he went. He shoved like 4 or 5 peanuts in his mouth and then ran off. Is that the right card? That's the right card. 1950s reprint of a 1920s, 30s view. Let me see. So there's this one. It's a nice sale. Nice sale. I'm gonna find it. Although the dude has 0 feedback. So we're gonna, well, maybe I'll show this one getting packed up. I don't know. Maybe I'll take it over and actually do a video of me packing it up. So I had this listed for $200, set in like a 15% off offer. And they accepted the offer. But yeah, I am a little wary with a no feedback, or I mean like none. So I will probably record me packing that one. And then, I mean, I like to over prepare and kind of like overthink too much, playing out all the possible scenarios. I think you kind of gotta sometimes if you're a reseller and you get a zero feedback person, and just to, you know, I don't, who knows if eBay would even never do anything. But so in the way my mind works, I'll record packing this up, save that, and if I ever get I didn't get, it's not as described, it's just a photocopy type of bull crap, and they're gonna send it back for a refund. I'll record when I open it up, and again, not that it's gonna matter, but and again, on the postcard side of things, we don't get a lot of those. I know someone put out a video recently about they're not going to sell high-end cards because they don't want to have to deal with possible scammers. So anyway, I just listed this one too. I think this is another York purchase. I thought I had two of these. I think I actually do have two of these. This one's a little worse shape than the one I had listed. But again, if that's, you run your business however you want to run your business. That's I mean, if you wanted that card I sold for $170, if you didn't want to do any research because you list all your cards at $4.95, hey, knock yourself out. I see that all the time when I'm comping cards, and I'm thinking, this is a great card, that's why I picked it up, and I'm doing comps, and the comps are, sold $40-$50, and I see someone listed it for $2.95, and I just want to reach out to those people, and you left $50 on the table. But, and that's I think that's what I want to do with like the membership. Again, if you want to list them for $4.95, that's your prerogative. But you leave a lot of money on the table. There you, big fat guy's back. He's getting chunky. There's three now. Anyway, so what else we got? T32. I sure can't stretch 12 orders into 20 minutes, can I? 32. They're funny little guys. This is Charleston. Yeah. I'm on card. Where are you? There he is. So anything going on in your reseller world you want to share? Share. If not, perfectly okay. AV4. I was just in that box. AV14. World War I era aviation and machine gun. That's kind of cool. There might be nudity here. There is nudity. Okay, BB12. 12 down. Ow. Where are we at here? I think this is a... Oh, sorry. Well, if you're not adult enough to... It'd be interesting. I'm not going to change. I'm not going to... When I go to monetize this, I'll say there is no issues. So it'll be interesting to see if the analytics pulls that up. $20. 12. And yeah, hopefully it gets... I'm going to do... I'm going to probably do 3 videos today. So I'm not sure how much listing I'm going to get done. But maybe... No, I forgot. I've got a Whatnot show tonight. Oops. Maybe. I rescheduled Saturday's show to tonight. Keeps slipping my mind. Because it's a Tuesday, and I haven't done a Tuesday show for quite a while. So I was getting ready to say maybe I'll list tonight, but no. I need to do a Whatnot show. Yeah, it'll be What's in the Box tonight on Whatnot. Okay, I think that's it. Not much going out. I can stretch it to 16 minutes. Do a quick refresh. I don't think there's any postcard shows coming up this week. Yep, nothing else. We'll take a look. I stand corrected. Pahonix, Arizona. I know it's Phoenix. Wow. $20 early. So it opens at what, 10? I don't think I would pay $20 for an extra hour. No, I wouldn't do it. $5 each day, so $10 total. Okay. If you go, have fun. I do have a video somewhere about if it's your first postcard show, what to do. And I thank everybody for watching. Thank you to the members. There's lots coming this week next for the members. Okay. Y'all have a great day and see ya.